As we tackle the very first chapter of this masterclass, we'll be looking at the web design brief. We will be taking into account our background, looking at our target audience and seeing how to best resonate with them. We'll also be looking at our products and services and see which of these can give us an edge over our competitors. What mandatory requirements do we need to specify and then deliver upon to make sure that we meet our brief? And finally, what are the measurables? How do we measure the performance of this website when reviewing in the future? Say we were to review this project in 6 months' time. How would we know via key measurable outcomes if this project was a success? To begin our web design journey, I want to start with a quote from Benjamin Franklin. By failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail. I certainly have no better words to explain the importance of a web design brief. Although it is possible to build a great website without a brief, it is certainly not something that I would recommend. What's more, a brief shouldn't take long to write. In the majority of cases, you can achieve this in less than an hour. So let's get started by jotting down the key sections of our brief. These are not set in stone, and you can tweak them to your own individual project requirements. These are the sections that are my go-to, and they have served me well over the past 15 years in the industry. If you're wondering what to use to write your brief, it's completely up to you. I use Google Docs for my projects. This gives me a degree of flexibility when working with clients and we're not in the same room. It means we can both edit the document simultaneously, which I find very useful. Feel free to use Microsoft Word, Evernote, or even good old-fashioned